Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to enable Q&A on TikTok, how to make a Q&A on TikTok. So open up TikTok. Once you've done that, set up your profile by clicking here, then go on the three little lines on the top. Here you must click on Creator Tools. Before you go on out, you need to of course enable those. So click on Creator Tools and then click on Q&A. Once you've done that, here you have a question for you that people have answered and have made, but what you want to do is click ask a question, and you can write here how. And then just click post, and it will post a question to all your followers that they can answer. You can even have a video recording of it, or just invite people to it as well. And that's pretty much it. And you can post different questions like this, and it's just a simple way to interact with your followers, to bring up interactions, and pretty much just boost your followers activity. So hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a nice day.